Welcome to Superzayaan's vlog. Today we're doing a science experiment. What are we making? A volcano. So to make a volcano, we need a tray, an empty bottle, some tape, vinegar, and baking soda.
This is newspaper, this is paint, and this is the fresh painting.
So today we're gonna make the volcano, and then tomorrow it's gonna erupt.
But this is rough.
So erupting means when lava comes out of the volcano.
We got the glue.
And we also forgot the water.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna tape the bottle on the tray.
Oh.
Then I'm gonna do this side.
Wow. And I got the same thing.
Put the other one over here. Then we just place it on the bottom.
Good.
Wait,
Oh,
finally done.
yay.
Now we're gonna crumble the newspaper around the bottle. This is the first one. Put that there. The second one. Put this here. Now get the third one. Now put that there. Good job. No, we don't have no more space.
Yes, you do. This one here.
Oh, but it won't fit here. Now, we need to just put some glue. So after we put in the bottle and some crumbled newspaper that became balls,
Wow, we need to cut this paper, the newspaper.
and cutting the paper is the next step. So we're gonna use some glue and water to make a mixture, and then we're gonna use this paper to put it on top of the water.
No, not too much, not too much. No, Dad.
Good.
You got soccer chip.
It's like Achilles.
Yep, soccer chip.
Perfect.
Yep, soccer chip. Not too much, not too much.
This is getting a little flowy. This is gonna be better. Now mix. Whoa. It's like little people playing in there. So now we're gonna use this paper. We're gonna put it in the glue with water back and forth. Then we're gonna put it next to the water bottle to make it look like a mountain. So I'll go first. Put it here. And more. Now, time to stick it on this. Now your turn. Okay, now put it there. No, two hands. Now take it up. Okay, good. Now put it. Okay, now put it. Okay. Now it's my turn.
It looks like a roller coaster.
You gotta put my foot.
You got a towel.
Now it's my turn for the last one. So doesn't this look like a mountain? Now it's time to paint.
Okay. So some putty.
Blood. My turn.
Wait, I'm not done. Okay, now I'm
Up. Why is it not opening?
Wait. I forgot.
Why is it not opening?
Big
Now
brown.
we're gonna use red and green. She already put red, so now I'm gonna put green.
You got pretty.
Now it's time to mix.
Whoa. It's black. It's quite black. It looks so cool. Yeah, it looks so cool. It's brown.
It's turning like purple, and then it will become mushy.
Miss.
It's starting to become brown. No, it's good. It's becoming black or brown. I don't know.
Tony brown.
Take all of this green. Start to mix it. Keep mixing it until you don't see any green or no red. Keep mixing it more and more.
I see green.
Finally, and it's done.
Green.
Now can
Hey, there's green.
This is looking so cool. I'm gonna do this side and you do the other side, okay? Need a lot of this stuff. Oh yeah.
Then how am I going to paint when you take over then? It's my turn.
Okay. It's mine. So wait, let me just finish this side. And done. Put some more. Do the other side. This is my side, so you do the other side. It doesn't look so cool.
Yeah, that's fine.
Now time for some yellow.
It looks so cool. Got to be rainbow.
There's just a little wrapper on. What color is it gonna make? I think so. Time for some yellow. Okay, now start mixing.
It's so wibbly. It's
Yum.
It's Tony brown.
Can I mix it up? Please. Okay, you mix it a little bit more.
You need to add some more yellow. More yellow.
Wait, it didn't make a single color. Okay. It's just the same color.
Yeah, we need more.
Wait. It's like purplish. It looks like skin. More. This is like skin color.
Still.
This looks like so cool. Put some yellow on the mountain. Okay, now put it.
Whoa. It's like brown.
I know. Put some more now. Put this more so much here. Okay, now put it. Now put it. That's way too much. You don't have to cap. So after we're done painting, we're gonna let it dry, and then tomorrow we'll show you how it's gonna erupt. Today we're gonna do the explosion. We have vinegar, but we just put it in the water. We put in a water bottle, and this is the baking soda, and then the food coloring, and dishwasher soap. And then we're gonna put the vinegar inside the volcano. We already put the baking soda. Now we're gonna put the dishwasher. Now we're gonna add the food coloring.
What do I put inside?
Now we're gonna put the vinegar. I could hear the sounds of an That's enough. It's still coming out. You won't win. It's still coming out. I hope you enjoyed this activity. We're gonna do some more stuff next week. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.